Basically, sir, I want to tell you that basically I am related to the science field, life science field. But since I have got the appointment in the area, there is a very beautiful area in the India called as the Central India, and namely Madhya Pradesh. If you have must listen about the two special districts in the Madhya Pradesh, Dindori and Mandla. You can't believe that in Mandla, such a beautiful tribal community is still inhabiting in this area. So when I had joined this area, I was eagerly waiting to work in the field, work research in the field of the geology. But with the collaborations of my student and some social workers and some forest people, I could have reached to explore the such a precious, primitive, traditional culture of that area. And I was thinking where I can show this area, this topic, because I belongs to the science and this belongs to the humanity. When I heard about this summit, so I thought I should present this topic, and that would be a great platform to showcase my Indian traditional primitive culture about the traditional Bega peoples. So I want your permission to share my slide and to
Sure.
continue my presentation.
Yes, you can share the screen, and I think that it will be really wonderful topic for all of us, and the world will come to know about this kind of research from our indigenous researchers.
Sir,
Yes.
just can you see my screen?
Yes, madam, we have shared. You can go for full screen here.
Is it visible? Screen is
Yes.
visible?
Yes, yes, it is appearing, and you
Okay,
can
sir.
in the full screen view. Then we will have the full screen.
Yes, sir. With your kind permission, piece of work is significance of Godna, tattoo in the life of Bega, tribal man and woman of the Chada, Block Bajaj, Dindori, Madhya Pradesh, India. With the title, I would like to introduce with my work. Godna, it is actually an art of making tattoos on the body. And the Bagas are the most privileged Indian tribes of the India. They are designated as national primitive human tribes of India, and they are the first tribal people who have got the land related rights in the India first. So I would like to explore a very primitive kind of the and very beautiful kind of tradition which is amongst the tribal Baga man and the woman. So as my topic is suggesting that significance of Godna in the life of Baga tribe men and women of the Chada block, Bajar, Dindori, Madhya Pradesh, India. So what is Godna? Godna, the meaning of the Godna is the tattoo. Tattoo is an English word, and Godna is a vernacular term which is spoken by the local people of the Dindori district. So tattoo is called as the Godna. The work of making Godna is called Godai. Means when we draw the designs, that is in vernacular term, it is called the Godna, or in English, it is called the tattooing. The skilled artist is called the Bedanis or Bedania. And basically, these skilled artists are always female. Female only draws these designs on the body of the female Bagas. During tattooing, a specific dot pattern is drawn. Basically, then the Baga is complete. Then the design is completed, followed by merging dots. The woman of the Baga tribes inherits this traditional culture into their bodies. Godna is matter of the pride for the Baga women. And wearing Godna on the body signifies womanhood in the Baga woman. And Baga women feel incomplete without Godna during the lifetime. So to express this scientific values, I have taken the t-test analysis to find out the results, scientific results. And before that, I have chosen the methods I've selected. That was the survey method. And I have made the survey during the year 2021 in the months of the July and August in the field, selected field, that is the Chada. And I would like to introduce about the Chada. Chada is actually, it is called as the Bagachak. Bagachak is a vernacular term, and the English meaning of the Baga church is the primitive areas of the Baga tribes. So this Chada is a historical importance of also for the Baga tribes of the India. You can say this is the main area of the primitive peoples of the India. So I visited in the area and I took the photographs from the area, and I found that they draw specific designs on their body parts, different body part except the abdominal region. The females having these dots on the foreheads, chest, hands, legs, and sometime on the backs also. So accordingly, I have taken observation and I have found the result that as per the observation and analysis of the find data is significant for the Baga woman, making Godna on the body parts is traditionally compulsory, means it is compulsory making these designs on the body in the females, but for the men it is not compulsory. Means we can see what is the difference between the socio-cultural importance in the female and the male. Male is not compulsorily pressurized to make these designs on the body, but female is compelled to make the body design because it may give them identity that they are true Baga women. So finally, we can conclude the research findings as that the present study examines the significance of Bodhna in the lives of the men and the women of the Indian Baga tribes. The Baga tribes people is an ancient human of India. They were designated in India as national human. Godna or tattoo is traditionally compulsory on the body parts of the Baga woman, where it is not compulsory for men in their whole life. As per the data, Baga woman makes draw Godna at the rate of the 100% on the forehead, back, chest, hand, and legs. Whereas in the man, it is found at the rate of the 0% rate. There is also a 0% rate of making Godna on the abdominal parts, which is the soft part of the body. It is left because of the some hygiene issue, so they do not draw, but otherwise in whole body parts they write all the body these traditional body designs to give the specific identity to the females of this community. Godna is a symbol of being a true Baga woman. So this is the reason in this community we can see कि when a female is having Godna on their body, so she is known as true Baga woman. It is an identifying traits of the tribes. After completing all the stages of the Godna, the Baga women are called true Baga woman, and the occurrence or the wearing of the Godna in the Baga woman was observed at the rate of the 100% in various body parts as the forehead, back, chest, hand and legs, and 60% on the neck and 0% of the abdomen. Whereas in Baga men, 1% on the forehead and on the neck, 2% on the chest and 3% on the legs and 10% on the hand and 0% on the abdomen. I would like to share you, there are the different stages in their lives from the birth till the death. So at every moment of the life, a female has to get a body design to their body parts. For example, after when a girl comes into the puberty stage or it retain a teenager stage, first Godna or first tattoo is made on her forehead, and it is proposed by the mother and the parent sides of the girl. As then after, when the girls is become eligible for the marriage, then their in-laws propose Godna because they are adopting that girl for their families. For to fulfill the wishes of the in-laws family, that girl also get Godnas to hands and on the legs. Then after, when she is about to become mother, it is very interestingly, when the Baga woman is about to become mother, so she get a special type of Godna on the chest. So this chest Godna is called the Chhati Godna, and this is mostly is called the last Godna. Last stage of the Godna, and our making of the Chhati Godna by the female beggar, it signifies that the female is ready to become mother, and it is ready to continue the families of the in-laws side. So this is very primitive type of the culture, which is still in modern time. We can in 21st centuries, we see that different types of the tattoo artists are globally are found in the world, but in India, so this is traditionally have come from the tribal communities. So this is a very traditional, primitive type of the culture, which attains the attention to sustain such primitive and heritageable cultures of the India. These are this was my presentation, sir, and thank you. You have given me opportunity to represent my Indian traditional culture in such a wonderful platform in this World Summit, and I'm very grateful. You have given me such a good opportunity.
Thank you very much, and big hand for the speaker, Dr. Manisha Kaul, on all of our side. And we have seen that she explored a new area. That is, I have no idea about this Bodna, though I am from India, and I have no idea about this Bodna.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Tiger tribals, and they're having, I think that she specially focused on the Dindori district, and also showing the photographs, and that was marvelous work. That
Yes,
going,
sir. Here you can see the photographs ki how, but these it is very painful actually. It is not easy to get over the body. It is very painful, but still women are having these because they are they want to uh, uh, inherit their cultures. They don't want that culture should be forgotten by the coming generation, so they carry on their body. You can see in the images how these teenager girls are having these tattoos on the forehead, and you cannot imagine it is very painful job having such a godna on the body of these teenagers girls, but they are happy. And this is significance of the beauty also. This beautifies the personality of the Baga females.
yes, it is a really interesting part, and we have come to know it from the presenter today. Dr. Manisha Kaul made the presentation, and I think that through this platform, the world is now aware of this Bodna culture, that really outstanding presentation and unique. And we have seen the photographs, and I would like to appreciate with the began from our side that going towards the field, taking these photographs from the tribal women and those who are that implanting this tattoo, one kind of tattoo in their body and in different parts. And as we have seen during the presentation, that regarding their age also, whenever they are becoming younger and their different stage, different level, the Godna become also that reaching the different stages. That is the last stage of Godna was also well explained.
Different stage at the time of marriage, at the after birth, teenage, before motherhood, and sometimes they also do some rituals when people die. Means during the burial ceremonies also.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank
you, sir.
That was wonderful and brilliant presentation. I would like to request each and everyone to give the big hand for such an extraordinary. Thank you very much. We would like to congratulate Dr. Manisha Kaul for such an extraordinary research and in an unexplored area of India. And I think that this will open up the research opportunity for the researcher.
Yes,
and now
this is the biggest opportunity for the anthropologist, even for the social science student, scholars, professors, researchers, because there is a treasures of knowledge, ancient knowledge, primitive, historical. And they are very simple, they are very kind, honest, and the happiest people of the world.
Thank you.
Without having anything. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.